Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Clash Royale account on your device. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in order to recover your account, you'll need to launch your Clash Royale account. As you open up your Clash Royale account, you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and in the top right corner you'll be able to see a try bar icon. Click on it. As you click on the try bar icon, from the list you need to click on settings. Once again, a pop-up will appear right in center. So from the pop-up you'll need to click on help and support in the left hand side corner, and then you'll be taken to the support center. Now on this interface you'll be able to see a list of options. So right on top there is an option as account issue with your account, so click on it. So then you have to be specific, so for that click on recover your account. Once you click on recover your account, under it you'll be able to see a list of options. So then click on the option that is I lost my account. Once you're on this page you'll be able to see a list of articles in order to recover your account or the methods to recover your account. So you can go through this statement also, or else what you can do is you can simply click on the circle message icon located right in the corner and then click on open a support case, which will be right at the bottom. As you click on it, an automated response will be sent. You'll need to select the category or the purpose for contacting the support team. Since we are dealing with login and Supercell ID issue, you need to click on it. On this page what you need to do is you need to go through the statement and then you need to select the response accordingly. So you'll receive an automated response. So you need to go through this following statement. So then you need to provide the account information. First thing, you'll be asked to enter in your player tag associated with your Clash Royale account. Now you need to go on providing your account information. So make sure to provide the correct information. So if you have provided the correct information, you'll be receiving a response stating that the request has been submitted, and all you need to do is wait patiently until they look into your matter or recover your account. So that is how you can recover your Clash Royale account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.